Come and learn from professionals with over 102 years of experience combined. Your Money, Your Wealth Symposium, The Secret of Professional Investors. Sunday, January 26th from 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. in downtown Los Angeles. Ken Nathanson, proper drafting of contracts and disclosures necessary for complex investments. Sasha Anahid, advanced understanding of insurance policies. Mary Zavala, why the wealthy use property management companies and how to choose the right one. Abraham Marion, asset protection and wealth management. Huma Nostratifar, syndicated investments versus self-owned investments. Jose Villalpando, tax strategies needed for 2020. Teresa Martinez, unveiling the secrets of credit repair. Emmanuel Sabe and Virna Cortez, the art of flipping and short sales during a recession. Hosted by Family Financial Strategies Inc.